Social media has become one of the most critical channels for news companies and digital journalists to get important stories out to their audience. It can be a struggle to design engaging news videos for social media because of lack of expertise in video design. Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Typito Video Design Series. Dive into designing captivating news videos for social media with Typito's stunning news templates. The first step is to sign in to Typito.com. Don't have an account? Click the link down below to sign up for free. Once we sign in, this is what our Typito dashboard looks like. Click the New Project button and choose the video format that works best on the social media platforms you want. Square videos, 1x1, work better on Facebook and Twitter, whereas landscape videos, 16x9, are effective for YouTube. For this tutorial, we choose 1-to-1 square. Click Create. This is where we upload our photos and video clips, or you can choose from hundreds of royalty-free stock footage. While the clips are uploading, we'll go to the Typito template gallery to choose a template. Type in typito.com/template. Scroll down to find the news category right here. Click on it to preview all the templates we have at our disposal. Choose from templates inspired by the various guardians of world news like CNN and BBC, and even AJ+. We click on this template to preview it. Here we can play around with colors and fonts to see what the template would look like on the video. This looks good. Click Save to save the template. Go back to the Typito timeline and the Save template will appear under the text menu. Click on it to add it to the time frame. This is where we style the template to make it our own, changing the text, font, and even the color, just like this. This template can also be customized to our brand needs by adding a logo. To upload an existing logo, go to the Images menu and upload your logo in a PNG format for the best results. There are multiple elements you can add to a news video. We have already added an intro. Now, we go ahead and add a news caption and an outro as well. Follow the same process as before. Search for templates that will bring in energy and excitement to your video. People enjoy a short feature about a topic wrapped up in a neat little package. Give the video a final preview and click Export. Voila! We've just become news video designers. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to Typito, click right here. To check out the last video we created, click right here. Bye!